everyone! I'm on my way to explore more of Skardu's hidden beauty. Look at that glow behind me! This place feels like another world. I left the city behind. This feels like I'm driving into a dream. Chai in the mountains, I swear, nothing calms the heart like this. Every step is shaky, but every view is worth it. Skardu at last, cold in the air, but warmth in the eyes of everyone here. This view, this light, I wish I could pack it in my backpack and take it home. There's something ancient in the air here, like every rock has a memory. No words tonight, just stars, just peace, just me and this sky. The air is freezing, but fresh. It feels like the earth is holding its breath. These smiles, they make this journey unforgettable. Oops, didn't see that rock coming, but hey, makes for a good memory. That's all for today. But tomorrow, these mountains, this wind, they'll have something new to say. I'll see you in the next episode. Until then, goodbye.